Hey everybody, Merry Christmas. We have had quite an adventure. We're still having an adventure. Um, I tried to send that first video through the cell phone, but for some reason I can't get videos to go through. But we're staying with a friend, watching the house for a couple of nights. That's why we're able to get the videos out through their Wi-Fi. And I hope you keep having patience with us and keep checking out our adventures. And by the way, there is going to be a new change to our channel. We're changing the name. Sandra suggested Patches Explorations. And we like that, so that is going to be the name of the new channel for the new year. And I hope you enjoy riding the bikes, trains. We're going to try to have it all on there. And we never got this bird. We got some cool bird pictures. Never got this bird catching the fish, but we're going to go back and try again. Check out the videos. Hope you enjoy. Merry Christmas. Show off the new campsite. Home sweet home for the next 3 weeks.
Maybe not that long. If we get bored.
Yeah, depends on if we get bored. It's a beautiful spot. There's a lake. And this is free camping. What's the name of this spot?
Fortuna Lake.
Fortuna Lake. It's actually just a pond, but it's cool. The eagles. They catch fish in the morning. Hard to see. Try to get over here where we can see. And there's a Bubby. Some creepy looking wood, forest woods. And you wouldn't think you'd find anything like this in Arizona. Bubby. These are salt trees. Probably about the only tree other than a palm tree you'll find in Arizona. Palo Verde, mesquite. Yeah, pretty much everything here has a sticker.
Like a natural tent.
Ooh, and something has killed a bird. That's probably, we had heard all them wolves or coyotes last night. But this still is a far better place to camp than the Mission. Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Sandy.
You had like Facebook?
Yes.
How many things you got? Facebook, Twitter?
I got Facebook, Twitter. That's it.
Oh, okay. What do you think about this lake?
This is beautiful. I'm actually going to take a picture of it.
And don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment. That's important, folks. Thank you, and have a Merry Christmas.